Welcome back, guys. Today, we're going to learn about comparing numbers. Let's head on over and take a look. Here we have the symbols greater than, less than, and equal to. We will be using these symbols to compare numbers. Here we have two groups of ones blocks. We need to compare these groups of blocks. The first thing we need to do is count how many is in each group. We start on the left, and we can see that there are 4 blocks. And on the right side, we have 10 blocks. We need to use one of the 3 symbols to compare these 2 groups. I like to think of this symbol as a big mouth that is always hungry. It wants to eat the biggest amount, so the open side should always face toward the biggest number. One thing that helps me is to remember that just like reading a book, we start on the left. Knowing this will help us remember if it is greater than or less than. Okay, so we have 4 on the left and 10 on the right. The symbol's mouth will open to the larger number. Which number is larger? The 10 is larger, so the mouth opens to the 10. If we were to read this, we would say 4 is less than 10. Let's look at another problem. Here we have 8 blocks on the left and 6 blocks on the right. The open mouth faces toward the bigger number. So which is bigger? The 8 is bigger, so the mouth opens toward the 8. Now to read this sentence, we start from the left and say 8 is greater than 6. Great job, guys! All right, now we can move into some bigger numbers. Okay, let's compare these numbers and see which symbol to use. Here we have the number 452 and the number 425. To help me compare, I am going to put the numbers on top of each other. I will put the number on the left on top and the number on the right on the bottom. Now that we have them lined up, let's compare them using our knowledge of place value. We start with the biggest value first, which is the hundreds place. In the hundreds place, both numbers have 400, so the hundreds are the same. Let's move on to the tens place. In the tens place, in the top number we have 50, and in the number below we have 20. Which number is greater, 50 or 20? The 50 is greater, so right away we know that 452 is a bigger number. This symbol wants to eat the larger number, so which number will it want to eat? Right, 452. If we were to read this statement, we would start from the left and say 452 is greater than 425. Awesome job, guys, you're doing great. Here we have another set of numbers to compare. On the left, we have 694, and on the right, we have 697. Can you tell me which number is bigger? Well, my initial thought is that they look almost the same, but let's compare them like we did before. Let's start in the hundreds place. Both numbers have 600 in the hundreds place, so the hundreds are the same. Now, if we look at the tens place, we see that they both have 90 in the tens place. Now we look at the ones place, and the number on top has 4 ones, and the number on bottom has 7 ones. We know that 7 is the greater number. 697 is greater than 694. Now we need to face the mouth towards the greater number, which is 697. Now, can you guys read this statement for me? Correct. 694 is less than 697. Great job again. All right, guys, this has been tons of fun, but I have to get going. We'll see you next time, okay? Bye.